part 2 of my wash day series. If you missed my previous video, I suggest that you go back. I will definitely link it down below so you guys can understand what I was doing. So last video was about my pre-poo. Now this video is all about my wash day. So after the video, I rinsed out the pre-poo. So this is my hair now. Shrinkage is no joke. It is soft. So let me tell you, my hair is soft. It has no conditioner in it, nothing like that. So I'm gonna wash it. Okay, we're gonna go in with my favorite shampoo, which is the Creme of Naure-Clay and charcoal. As you guys can see, like, I love this, and I don't normally finish shampoos. So I love this because it doesn't strip your hair. Your hair don't feel dry and brittle when you finish using it, and your curls pop. I'm for it. I love this shampoo. It's no joke. I love the line, the entire line. I love it. So normally I would wash my hair in some twists, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so I have my hair section in the twist. I have no clue how much twist is in my hair, so I don't think anybody, it's not that serious, so you need to know how many twists is in my head, right? So I'm gonna take my shampoo, as again, charcoal and thingy. I'm gonna take, as you guys can see, I love everything with aloe vera because aloe vera is in this too. Y'all see? I'm gonna take a little bit more. So this much. So in my hand, I go down here. Rub again. Here. Rub again. Edges. Rub again. Back. Okay. I feel like I need a little bit more. Just a little bit more. I don't need a lot of shampoo. So normally I'll be doing this in the shower where I could get water, but the last time I tried to record this video in the shower, the lighting was awful. So yeah, this is as best as I can do it until your girl upgrades, which you guys can make happen. All you gotta do is subscribe. So I'm gonna put some more water in it so I can activate the shampoo more when you get your edges. Because most time this is where you apply your edge control, this is where you apply your gel a lot, this is where makeup goes, this is where toner goes, this is where everything goes. So you get it. As you guys can see, I'm using right here to wash my hair. I don't know, because the tips of my finger, not my fingernail. So don't do that. Do this. Okay? In a circular motion. So wake up and get up all the buildup and all that. Okay, scalp. My hair is not that dirty because I haven't been going anywhere. I've just been in the house. And it was in the twist, so it's not that dirty. So with that being said, I'm only doing one wash. But if like I'm coming out of a protective style, I will do 2 wash. But I typically do 1 wash because my hair is not that dirty. When you finish washing your roots, this is when I bring the shampoo down the length of my hair by just doing this. And get to your ends. I don't directly apply shampoo to my ends. The reason for this is because your ends typically is the driest part of your hair, and it doesn't have as much product and oil in it, and you don't want to dry it out too much, because if you dry it too much, it breaks. When you're trying to break up the ends of your hair, this is how you retain length, by protecting the ends of your hair. As you guys can see, like, this is why I love the shampoo. It doesn't strip your hair, but it still lift up the dirt because it has the bentonite clay in it, which you know is like a natural clarifier. It opens your pores and stuff like that, so it cleans your hair without stripping your hair. I'm gonna apply a little bit more water. Okay, so I'm back. I made sure I wash out all the shampoo out of my hair. So especially like when your hair will be in the twist, take the time out to properly get rid of all the shampoo out of your hair. Unlike you leaving a small amount of deep conditioner or conditioner hair, it is not recommended that you leave shampoo in your hair. Okay, so let me show you guys. And you guys can see I use a t-shirt. It is my hair t-shirt. I have these shirts and these and like 2 more I use for purely washing my hair. I do not use towel because towel dry out your hair and it snag your hair. So don't use towel. Use a t-shirt, a cotton t-shirt. Okay, so as you guys can see, my scalp is clean. We clean. We clean. Okay. So now I take a scrunchie, preferably one that doesn't have any clamps on it or anything like that. And then I put it all up because that is how I'll be applying my deep conditioner. 1 twist at a time. I always start on this side. I always start leaving a twist out on this side. I don't know why. But so today I'll be using the Asherlee Deep conditioner. This is a local brand, you know, Jamaica. So I'm like, you know, why not support? It doesn't have a sweet smell, but it's not stink. So yeah, this is the consistency. So let's get started. I'm dripping. Okay, so unravel, twist. Okay, so this is the hair before the deep conditioner go on it. It's frizzy, puffy. Now we're gonna put the deep conditioner on it, baby. We gonna tame them frizz. Make sure you work in the deep conditioner. You don't want it to be sitting on your hair, because if it sits on your hair, it's not helping your hair because your hair won't be absorbing it. So you'll be wasting your product. So we got that all through our hair. A little bit of finger detangling. Get in the middle of your hair. And then you just twist it right back up. So I know today I'm using the Asherlee, but normally my favorite deep conditioner is the TGIN moisture infused, I think it is. I'm gonna put a picture up on the screen so you guys know. That is my favorite conditioner, deep conditioner. However, my beauty supply store was out, and so yeah, I'm without. But definitely, if you need moisture in your hair, definitely try that. Definitely. It is so moisturizing. And the Shea Moisture, the blue container one, I put a picture up too. That is a good protein one. And the Maruka honey, no, the Babasu one, which is a pink container, I think it's male organics. That is a good protein right back up deep conditioner. So deep conditioners can be protein based or it can be moisture based, but some some companies will do a mixture. So you will see moisturize and strengthen, that is 2-in-1, which is the same for this. So her products claim that it will deep repair, ultra moisturizing. So it is both moisturizing and it strengthens your hair, which is a gazillion to go. So we're just gonna repeat the same process, which is if you feel like your hair is weak and frail, it's just the curl doesn't bounce back as much, or it's just
don't be stingy
so
with the
soppy, it takes a very long time to dry, I suggest that you try protein. The Afro-G is the best that we know, but that's like if your hair hasn't seen a protein treatment in a while, because it's a very strong protein treatment. So if you feel like your hair doesn't necessarily need it, I don't suggest you buy it. You just can use something simple, and the Afro-G can be expensive. So if you don't necessarily have to, I suggest you just use a regular company, which I just mentioned, the ones that I mentioned before. Will be my styling video, so don't miss that. That is where, you know, the niceness comes in. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Again, I apologize for the vehicles that have no manners. So guys, thank you guys so much again. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And if you did not watch the previous video, this is your time to go back and watch it. And if you have never watched any one of my videos, it is time for you to go back and watch it. I'll link all my videos down in the description. The deep conditioner to my hair. Now I am going to put it